Even in today's video, we are going to talk about descendant selector in DataWeave. So descendant selector is represented by these two dots. So now comes to how it works. So basically, descendant selector gives the values for a certain key, no matter where they appear in a piece of data. So let's understand this definition. If I show you this example, in this example, you can see we have echo key at multiple places in this example, right? So we have echo 1 2 at 3 places. So this descendant selector will give you the value corresponding to this echo key, right? No matter where it is present in your payload. So that's how your descendant selector works. So now when to use descendant selector? So basically when a structure is deeply nested, in that case we can use descendant selector, and we don't know exact level of the key, right? In that case also we can use descendant selector. And the last is when same key exists at multiple levels or multiple places, in that case also we can go with the descendant selector. So what is the important note here? That is, it always returns an array. So your descendant selector returns array even if only one match is found in your payload. It will give you array. So it always returns array. So and works with both JSON and XML data, and it takes array and object as an input. So you can say it works with both object and array. So but there is real-time use case. It could be your use case, and I can say there could be multiple use cases, but uh, I have taken this as an example. So to extract all error messages from deeply nested API response, right? So you got some response from one API call. In that response, you have error messages, multiple error messages. So you can got those all error messages from that API response with the help of descendant selector. So I'll explain this descendant selector with the help of this example. Okay, so let's move to DataWeave playground. So I have already copied this payload here in this payload section. So you can see it is getting printed here in output section. So what we need to do, we just need to use descendant selector. So basically how we denote descendant selector with exact two dots. So when you write two dots like this, and then you just need to write the key. So I have written this key echo, and you can see echo key is present at three places, right? So it is giving us an array of values corresponding to this echo key. So if you see this first echo key containing an object as a value, so we have got this object, and second echo key having this string, and third echo key also having this string as a value. So we have got these two values, right? So you can see now with the help of this descendant selector we have got all the values corresponding to this echo key. So in this case you can see we have used this JSON object, right? Now if I move to the second example, that is this XML payload. Let me copy this and let me paste it here. So you can see it is giving array. Why? Because we have here in payload section we have chosen this JSON, so we just need to switch to XML. Now error has gone, and if I print this payload, right, yeah, so it is working fine. Now I just need to print this, or I can say I just need to access the value of the key name. So to do that I just need to write descendant selector by with the help of two dots, and then the name of the key. So name of the key is name itself. So you can see this descendant selector fetched all the value corresponding to the key name, and it has returned output in the form of an array. As I have already told you that it always gives output in the form of an array, right? So first value is max the mule, second value is max house, and the third value is max cabin, right? So we have got all these values corresponding to the key name. So this is your descendant selector. I hope you will like the video and it will be helpful for you. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, see you.